Okay, so here's the 91 Chevy in all its glory. I'm just going to give a little bit of an update on this. It hasn't really moved anywhere, haven't really done anything with it. Just, put some things back together on it last year, and it's sat all winter. Storage wise, I think I'm going to take this out of town and probably store it in some enclosed shelter at the in-laws. We'll have to wait and see on that. But the car is complete, minus the door panels aren't back together because the speakers were blown, and I didn't want to put the door panels back on this car until that was rectified. So a little bit of a hole in that bumper. I had no choice but to split it. I was going to replace the bumpers, but the cost of them was a little more than what I wanted to spend, so I just said, yeah, heck with it. I still need to put some trim on this car. I'm going to buy new ones. I'm going to just pick whatever style I like, and I'm just going to glue it on the car, and that'll be that. It's not perfect. It was a fast job, but it looks pretty good. Silver is silver, right? So it was a very heavy metallic silver, and there's just some separation issues, and it was more or less my inexperience, I should say, kind of led to a little bit of a problem. But I did manage to give it a quick scuff with 800, and I ended up giving it a fresh base coat, and it doesn't look too bad. There are still certain areas where it's a little where there was some separation issues. Here, for example, there's some separation going on. That's in my base, and here was the biggest. But you know what? I don't care. You can't see it from over here per se, so it's just one of those things that, it is what it is. So I had a hard time getting this thing going. Actually, it was parked over there for the last 4 or 5 days, and the candles were done in it. I couldn't start the vehicle at all. Massively flooded it. So I ended up getting 8 brand new candles, just Champions, $8 a plug, per pack, I should say. But I mean, they've definitely been left in the engine too long. They're definitely Delcos, but there's a bit of electrode still left there, but they're done. So map sensor, manifold pressure sensor, I still haven't replaced that either yet, so that's another thing too that is on the list. Blown speakers. I mean, it fires right up, it runs good even with that bad map sensor. So once I get that straightened out, I have the map sensor unplugged, so it does buck and chuck a little bit, but it tripped the service light for that. So I automatically know that is what's causing it to, and the coolant temperature sensor is also bad in this, so that more than likely has some effect to it running the way it does, and why it's so hard to start when it's cold. Mind you, these candles were also one of many reasons. So anyway, it is what it is. I mean, it is running a lot better now, so once I get that emissions nonsense straightened out, I'm sure the car will be absolutely fine. I need a new window motor in this door, all kinds of stuff. I need a spring in that door pin too, because that door just wants to close shut on me. So I didn't get the spare tire back in here. Or this, for example, I need some sealant. I wanted to glue this back here where it came off of. Fuel may cause yellowing of paint. So I just left that in the car just like that. I put the cargo mesh back in. Basically that's all there is to it. That's all I wanted to. That's all I wanted to do. I did that one day when the car wouldn't start, and anyway, I still need a new taillight bulb, or a license plate bulb. Around here we need that to pass safety. All the bulbs have to work and all that jazz.